Do you want to know how to sell a Bitcoin on your Coinbase? Here's the step-by-step process on how to do it. So first, you need to access your Coinbase wallet, and after accessing your Coinbase wallet, you just have to log in using your credentials for you to able to access your account, and make sure that you utilize the search icon which is located at the top, and when you click on it, just simply search for Bitcoin, and once you click on Bitcoin, you will see the yellow icon which is located right here, which is the BTC. Once you searched and click for it, just use the send for you to able to send to another address and let it sell for another exchanger, or just simply swap it in USDT so you can do a peer-to-peer trading, and you will be able to receive your fiat currency based on your preference.